just did this research and I came across there are so many brands representing each country. But Sri Lanka doesn't have a single chili, chili oriented or chili based product that can represent Sri Lanka. It's always cinnamon, coffee, tea, or coconut, but nothing to do with chili. So I'm building something that's very meaningful, not just for me alone, but for the country as well. So I want all my customers to feel proud about that what they're holding is pure labor of love that's coming from a mother who has so much dreams herself.
I've heard you say that each of your products has a story.
Yeah.
Share some of your favorites with me.
Okay, I think I'll share this one. The most admired, most sentimental story is that the chili jam, the Nai Miris chili jam. I developed this recipe with my sister, and I had all this going on. So I'm Tamil. I'm from the north of Sri Lanka. So when I visit north, I knew there are some ingredients that are not being used by even the Tamils living in Colombo, even me, even my parents. So on a day that I thought, why not we use Palm Jaggery instead of Kittul Jaggery? Because Kittul, of course, has got its highlight. It has been known by everyone, but not Palm Jaggery. No one knows about it. Even I didn't know what it was. But that has been the only alternative for sugar for the northern and the eastern community, I believe. Because during the war, they didn't have access to sugar. So that was the only thing they've converted the jaggery. I mean, not that it's called, I can't remember the name, but they converted the raw material into a sugar in a jaggery form that they can use it as an alternative for sugar. So I thought, why not I try that, use that for my product. So when I did the product development and that was 100% successful, I thought, okay, on a day that I was just thinking about the marketing aspect, how am I going to do this? How am I going to build this product? What's the story I'm going to talk about this product? When I was thinking through, only I realized it's a truth. It's not the story. It's a truth where the jaggery is one of the main ingredient in the product, and Nai Miris is the second main ingredient in the product. And the Nai Miris only being consumed by the majority of the Sri Lankans, that's Sinhalese. And the Palm Jaggery is only consumed by the Tamils from the northern community. So I thought, oh my gosh, this product connects to community without even me realizing it. I didn't even think on that point. But when I sat and I think through, only I realized this connects to communities, to community of flavors that brings this product so it is one of the demanding, fast-moving product loved by all three communities. Muslims, they love because they love to use it in their kanjis during Ramadans. And then Sinhalese, of course, they love the Nai Miris, they love the flavor. Tamils, because they love the Palm Jaggery. So there's always some reason for them to purchase and use it. So it's like it's connecting all communities in Sri Lanka, and especially the northern and the community majority of the Sri Lankans, they connect because of the flavor. So I that's the day I thought food can connect. Food can connect people. Food can connect communities. And food doesn't have any barriers. Anyone can try. Anyone can eat. Anyone can explore, experience. If you visit all these countries, you're definitely going to taste their traditional food, traditional cuisines, right? So likewise, when you taste Miris, when you taste the chili jam, you're definitely going to taste the flavors of these two communities. That's all I came to know, and that just blew my mind. I thought, okay, that's something that I have to speak, but I have still to date, I'm not spoken because I never felt comfortable to speak. But today I'm sharing in this podcast because I thought I must, because this is like the right time for me to share openly that it connects two communities, because I was, of course, afraid to share that. But now the brand has built and it has come to some point where it stands strong. So I wanted to share this. It's one of the biggest.
Harmony in a bottle.
Harmony in a bottle. Peace in a bottle.
Peace in a bottle. Wonderful.